While discussing a string, I forgot one thing. Like, can we join two or more string? Like, for example, I have a name is Rajendra, and I have one more variable we stored location. Okay, and location is Bangalore. Okay, I just want to construct a sentence by using these two. That is nothing but I would like to print name and from location, right? Rajendra from Bangalore. Like this, I would like to print. So what I will do, I say print. Okay. First thing I need a name. So name. Okay. Plus. I need in between a Bangalore, between a Rajendra and Bangalore. I need a from, right? So plus I need to give that manually from plus location because Bangalore is a location, right? The name plus from Bangalore. If I use this, all them together like jumbled up, so I need a space in between. So here, before that from, after that from, I will give some space. Now if I execute, yes, means we can join two or more text also. Okay, if you have been used this joining a text in a like columns in a uh, Excel by using a concatenate formula or by using an end symbol, the same process will be followed here. Means the first string plus second string plus third string like this. You can keep on adding a string. Whatever you are required in between character and all, we need to use a space and all for that one. Okay, this is the one of the thing which I haven't covered while covering string. So just check up this one also how to join two or more text with your own custom way. You can store this one also. Okay, whatever you have been joined, you can say um, address like this. Something you can give name and you can store whatever you have been done that one. Now if you print that address, it will print. Okay, like this means we can store also anything, whatever the operators also, whatever you have done you can store like print like a plus b you have done, it can be stored in a c also, like c is equal to x plus y. Okay, now if I check the c 31 means just we printed previously x plus y like that, but now what I have done, I have been added them together and stored in a separate variable. That can also be done in Python. It can be, it will be for anything, any type of data we can add them together. This just remember like this. It is not only for the text or number or for only boolean. This one list, whatever we are going to learn in a coming sessions also, like a list or a tuples or set, or it may be a like a dictionary, we can add them together. Few of the things we are not able to add, we will discuss that was. Okay.